Hello traders, my name is Rolan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
What's up everybody? Let's get started. Welcome to my channel. My name is Roland and all currency pairs are OTC. What does this mean? This means that these are good interest rates on payments. So why not? Today let's increase our deposit from $10 and open trades on 1 minute time frame as usual. And let's select indicators. Today the trend strategy is alligator and CCI and zigzag, right? Here is a selection of indicators. Let's change the visualization of the indicator so as not to get confused when trading. We have the alligator absolutely with default settings. We also leave zigzag for the default settings. CCI, we will set the period to 10 and also change the visualization of this indicator. We will also leave the oversold and overbought areas unchanged. And in general, we are ready to start trading using this strategy. We can win back. By the oversold or overbought situations. Open trades during price rollback, and you can also trade in the flat dynamics. I'll try to show you today. So I guess today's strategy is kind of interesting. So let's start. Let's select the currency pair. Let's open a long position here. You and I will try this. There is a good point of contact here. Our zigzag is being updated, and now we will be existing the oversold area. So firstly, the moving line CCI, we will observe its output. Then we generally have a good point of contact. An update is taking place. Our local minimum, and accordingly, according to the dynamics of the movement, we should go up. Here we are not guided by the alligator, since it shows us the opening of a bearish trade. Since the moving averages intersect, but opening a trade for 2 minutes for a short in theory is the right option. But if you open a deal in this case for a minute, then you need to open the deal for an increase. So 3 seconds left. Let's just wait. Okay, first position as a tradition is in profits. Let's change the currency pair. Trade amount, and okay, let's continue. I'll try to open with the same way of opening, so we will completely understood how to trade by those indicators in that way. And why not? Let's open a short position here. Absolutely the same principle of entering a trade. That is, we also have the sliding alligator directed upward, but we're looking at the formation of a new local maximum. We will expect a correction. Here we saw a way out of the overbought area, absolutely the same deal, and we will also watch the dynamics of the movement. Now we have about 30 seconds left. While the movement dynamics suit me, the price rolls back. So in general, I can't add anything more here. We have about 18 seconds left. Let's watch the dynamics of the moment and let's just wait for an outcome. I guess we're fine. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're in the profits. Second position is in profits. The deal was open using the same entry logic. We did not watch the alligator. That is, we didn't listen to it. and in general we applied only according to the zigzag and CCI indicators. Let's now try to open a trade based on the alligators moving lines at technical analysis and select the next currency pair for it. So let's see. Let's open here a short position, a good entry point, opening according to the trend. Let's select the workspace, plus or minus, open again according to the same principle. Yeah, we updated the zigzag, and the further after it was updated with downward dynamics, further price dynamics should go down. Then here we see the intersection of the overbought area. Accordingly, this also tells us that it's better to open the trade for short. Here the sliding alligators have not yet had time to turn around, since the alligator shows the movement of the sliding ones a little late, so it's only then records the price movement. So we open the deal here in advance, and at the last seconds I guess we will see. Yeah, at the last seconds we saw the exit, and our deal closed in the black, in a plus without any problems. Also, let's change the sum of the transaction values. Today there is really good favorable volatility for trading, so even we managed to pull back a little bit, and the deal closed to the profit. So let's continue. I still want to find a deal based on the alligator. The alligator's indicators are more accurate, yeah, and so let's get started and let's find it. Okay. Here again I will open the long position, but here is a very good entry point. I could say, again, I cannot add here to the alligator indicator here, because relative to the flat dynamics now prevail. Therefore our CCI and zigzag come out to our aid. We see an update of the local minimum point. The zigzag has been updated accordingly, and then I think our price should go up, right? So next we also see a way out of the oversold area, and accordingly we also adhere to this rule and open a trade for a long with about 15 seconds right now remaining until completion. Let's watch the dynamics of movement. Let's just wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Next position also in profit without any problems. We already have more than $100 on our balance sheet. Now let's change the amount of the value, but here we couldn't navigate by the alligator because in general alligator sliding, right, they show the dynamic of the movement a little late. That is despite the fact this is a trend indicator and it needs to be opened a little differently. I will explain this later, so let's continue and select the next currency pair. Okay, here just like that I can confidently open a trade for an increase, and especially the alligator helps me with this. Look, we had a price rollback, new local minimum has formed along the zigzag, then the price turned around and went up, and here we see the intersection of the moving averages. It is this intersection that we can easily open a trade for a long, since the intersection the moving ones occurred from the bottom up, and we also see the movement of our moving average CCI and its tendency towards the overbought area. So here all the signs indicate that the trade needs to be opened upward. We have little more than 10 seconds, so let's just watch the candle. just like that. Our next deal is closed with a profit without any problems. Let's try to find the same deal, only 4 degrees, only for a short. I'll try to find a good entry point. So let's select the next currency pair. Let's see what do we have here. Let's open short position. Here again, I'm not guided by the alligator. Let's consolidate the results of past trades. Yeah, look, even at the fact that the trade was not opened at a completely successful level. The dynamics are still the same. The movement after the formation of new local maximum should go down in the direction of the trend, and our trend is downward, and we see an exit from the oversold area, or rather of a boat. That is why open a trade here for a short, a little more than 19 seconds left. Okay. Before transaction is completed, let's just observe the dynamics of the movement, because I have already fully described this entry principle. All right, you have to notice it, you have to take notes and practice it with me. So as you can see, our next deal closing in a profit. You see, I opened trades according to the same principle down, and the trades are always closed with a plus without any problems, since the strategy really works. So let's try to find an entry into a bullish trade and select the next currency pair. So what do we have? What do we have? Here, let's open a position for a little longer. I could say no, it's short. Here is a very clear entry into the deal. Let's open it and consolidate. What about update of the new price maximum? There was an upward impulse previously, and I think our movement should go down. The intersection of the overbought area should occur. So in this case, we open a trade for short. Just 23 seconds left. Let's watch the dynamics. Let's just wait. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. And our deal also closes in profit. Despite the fact that we did not open the deal at the correct level, that is, it would have been more correct to open it here. Nevertheless, as you can see, the pullback is still ongoing, and overall the deal was absolutely correcto. Right, let's pick the next currency pair and look at some other trade entry. Here we will open long position. The same entry point is already here. Here we can add the concept of price corridors, namely these points of contact. That is, for the lower price corridor, the point is our resistance area. Already for the upper part of the movement, this point is an area of support, and here we also seen the formation of a new local minimum, and our sliding alligators are also directed upward, so the opening of the transaction here is upward. Even if we had not entirely successful trade entry here, we could have opening much better. And let's just watch. 10 seconds left, and we're gonna be fine, we're gonna be okay, right? Nice. Another position is in profits. So we started from $10. We have almost $2,000 on our balance sheet. To consolidate the result, let's open two final transactions in the amount of $890. And in general, I think it will be possible to complete our trade based on the future result. And let's select the final currency pair for the final position. God damn it. Alright, let's see what do we have. Okay, let's open the trade here. Two down trades, short trades. After the formation of a new local maximum, we will also open the trade in the direction of the actual trend. Now the trend is the character. The character of the trend is downward. The dynamics of our movement are going down. A new local maximum is being formed, after which I think the dynamics of our movement should go down too. Next we see the intersection from the area. It's overbought, so everything tells us that it's still better to open a trade for a short rather than an upside. They're a little more, then a little less than 15 seconds now. Okay, I missed the 20. So let's watch the dynamics. Let's just wait, and 5 seconds left. Nice. Come on. Yes, guys. Yes, our final positions are close in positive territory. Nevertheless, we subsequently had a pullbacks. The trend made itself felt, and we recorded a positive result today. Based on this result, I think it will be possible to trade with us. So let's fix the amount and make a withdrawal. The wallet, the amount is gonna be 3,400. Okay, the link and code. Nice. Transaction is being completed, guys. I'm waiting for your comments. Try it on, and try it on again. Or you can go to my Telegram channel. There's the copy trading, just trading signals, so you can trade with me. So waiting for you on the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, and subscriptions, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good market. Bye.
So guys, don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. To start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.